I got this new KEXMO tactical pocket knife. Let's open it up, check it out. So here it is out of the box. Of course, it's just got the box it came in. It's got a little pamphlet about the knife and some more information and specs on the inside. And here is the blade itself. It's got this real pretty wood grain. It's actual wood. There is this tab here on the back that helps you open it quicker, along with these little tabs here to help you flip it open. There does seem to be a little bit of assist when you're opening the blade, because you don't have to put much force at all against this for it to flip open all the way. And if you check it out from the top, I'm not sure how well you can see it in the video, but it's got a pretty thick blade. So it's not one of those cheap, thin, flimsy blades. It's got a pretty thick blade on there. Should hold an edge for a good while. Alright, so some of the features on this thing, it does have a belt clip right here, which is pretty nice, and it's pretty sturdy, pretty tight on the knife, so it holds well. It's also got these little tabs on the blade here that help you quickly open the knife. There's a little bit of assist to that. You can tell when you're opening the knife, it opens up pretty smoothly and quickly. And then here's the safety tab on the bottom that you push and you can pull back in. Now there's also this tab on the back that helps you open the knife like that if you want to open the knife, and it deploys very quickly. Again, you push the safety and you can pull it back in pretty easy with just your thumb. There's also a pressure point punch on the ends. Very useful for things like busting glass in emergency situations. If you need to get into a car or get out of a car, you can use that to bust the glass. All in all, it's a pretty nice, heavy feeling knife. Like I said, I really like the wood grain. I like the look of this knife, and the feel of the knife is actually pretty good. It fits well in my hand. I like the way it deploys. It's pretty sharp. Here's just an apple. Of course, it's brand new, but I mean, it's just straight out of the box. Very sharp knife. No issues cutting. The knife easily cuts through things like cardboard. Very sharp. Had no problems cutting through any of this. I really like how easy it is to open this blade. I mean, that is a nice quick response from this blade. And to close it, you've got this tab here to push it down. Then you can pull your thumb over it. Here, let me show you that again. Very nice. All in all, I think it's a pretty nice knife. If you thought this video was helpful, would you please give me a thumbs up? If you haven't done so already, if you'd subscribe to the channel, that really helps me out. And y'all take care. Be safe out there.